We all want to achieve financial freedom and live the life of our dreams. But how do we get there? One of the most effective ways is to build and grow our assets. Assets are anything that generate income or appreciate in value over time. They can be tangible or intangible, physical or digital, active or passive. The more assets we have, the more wealth we can create. But not all assets are created equal. Some assets are more profitable, more reliable, and more scalable than others. Some assets require more time, money, and effort to maintain than others. And some assets are more suitable for different goals, risk profiles, and lifestyles than others. So how do we choose the best assets to invest in? How do we find the ones that match our needs and preferences? And how do we manage them effectively to maximize our returns? In this video, I'm going to share with you 6 of the best assets that can make you rich in 2023 and beyond. These are assets that have proven to be successful for many people around the world, and that can help you achieve your financial goals faster and easier. I will explain what each asset is, how it works, what are the pros and cons, and how you can get started with it. Now let's get started with the 6 assets that can make you rich. Number 1. Dividend stocks. The first asset on our list is dividend stocks. Dividend stocks are shares of companies that pay regular cash dividends to their shareholders. Dividends are a portion of the company's profits that are distributed to investors as a reward for their loyalty and trust. Dividend stocks are a great asset for generating passive income and growing your wealth over time. By investing in dividend stocks, you can receive a steady stream of cash every month or quarter, depending on the company's dividend policy. You can also benefit from the capital appreciation of the stock price as the company grows and becomes more valuable. Some of the advantages of dividend stocks are: they are easy to invest in. You can buy dividend stocks from online brokerage platform or app. They are less volatile than other stocks. Dividend stocks tend to be more stable and resilient during market downturns, as they represent well-established and profitable companies that have a loyal customer base and a competitive edge. They offer compound returns. By reinvesting your dividends into more shares of the same or different companies, you can increase your income and wealth exponentially over time. Some of the disadvantages of dividend stocks are: they are not guaranteed. Dividends are not a legal obligation for companies, and they can be reduced or suspended at any time if the company faces financial difficulties or changes its strategy. They are taxed as ordinary income. Dividends are subject to income tax at your marginal tax rate, which can reduce your net return. They have lower growth potential than other stocks. Dividend stocks tend to have slower growth rates than non-dividend stocks, as they pay out a large portion of their earnings to shareholders instead of reinvesting them into the business. To invest in dividend stocks, you need to do some research and analysis on the companies you are interested in. You need to look at their financial performance, dividend history, payout ratio, growth prospects, competitive advantage, and valuation. You also need to diversify your portfolio across different sectors, industries, and markets to reduce your risk and exposure. Some examples of popular dividend stocks are Coca-Cola, the world's largest beverage company that has a long history of paying dividends and has increased them for 61 consecutive years. Apple, the world's most valuable technology company that has been paying dividends since 2012 and has increased them for 9 consecutive years. American Express. American Express has been paying dividends for a long time and has increased them for 2 consecutive years. Number 2. Rental real estate. The second asset on our list is rental real estate. Rental real estate is any property that you own and rent out to tenants for a monthly or yearly fee. Rental real estate can be residential or commercial, such as apartments, houses, offices, shops, warehouses, etc. Rental real estate is one of the most lucrative and reliable assets for generating income and wealth. By investing in rental real estate, you can enjoy multiple benefits, such as rental income. You can receive a consistent and passive income from your tenants every month or year, depending on your lease agreement. Capital appreciation. You can increase the value of your property over time as the market demand and supply change, and as you make improvements and renovations. Tax benefits. You can deduct various expenses related to your property, such as mortgage interest, depreciation, maintenance, repairs, insurance, etc., from your taxable income. Leverage. You can use other people's money, such as bank loans or mortgages, to buy more properties and increase your returns. Some of the drawbacks of rental real estate are high entry barrier. You need a large amount of money to buy a property, or a good credit score and income to qualify for a loan or mortgage. Management hassle. You need to deal with tenants, maintenance, repairs, vacancies, evictions, legal issues, etc., which can be time-consuming and stressful. Liquidity risk. You may not be able to sell your property quickly or at a good price when you need cash, especially in a slow or declining market. To invest in rental real estate, you need to do some research and analysis on the location, market, property type, condition, price, rental rate, occupancy rate, expenses, etc. of the property you are interested in. You also need to have a good team of professionals, such as realtors, lawyers, accountants, contractors, property managers, etc., to help you with the buying, selling, and managing process. Alternatively, you can invest in rental real estate without owning or managing the property yourself by using platforms like Arrived Homes. Arrived Homes is a service that allows you to invest in rental homes across the U.S. with as little as $100. You can earn passive income from the rent and appreciation of the homes without dealing with any of the hassle. Number 3. Online courses. The third asset on our list is online courses. Online courses are educational or instructional materials that you create and sell online to teach people a specific skill or topic. Online courses can be in various formats, such as videos, audios, texts, quizzes, etc., and can be hosted on various platforms, such as Udemy, Teachable, Skillshare, etc. Online courses are a fantastic asset for generating income and wealth online. By creating and selling online courses, you can leverage your knowledge, expertise, passion, or hobby into a profitable and scalable business. You can also enjoy many benefits, such as passive income. You can create your course once and sell it to thousands of students around the world without having to deliver it live or repeat it every time. Creative freedom. You can design your course according to your own style, preferences, and personality, and express yourself in a unique and authentic way. Personal satisfaction. You can help people learn something new, improve their lives, or achieve their goals, and receive positive feedback and testimonials from your students. Some of the challenges of online courses are high competition. You may face a lot of competition from other course creators in your niche or topic, especially if it is popular or saturated. Marketing effort. You need to promote your course and attract potential customers to your sales page or platform, which can be difficult and costly. Quality assurance. You need to ensure that your course is of high quality, relevant, engaging, and updated, and that it meets the expectations and needs of your students. To create and sell online courses, you need to follow some steps, such as identify your target audience and their problems, goals, or desires. Choose a profitable and specific niche or topic that you are knowledgeable and passionate about. Outline your course content and structure, and decide on the format and duration of your lessons. Create your course materials using tools like PowerPoint, Camtasia, Audacity, etc. Upload your course to a platform of your choice, and cite your price and payment options. Launch your course and market it to your audience using strategies like email marketing, social media marketing, content marketing, etc. Some examples of successful online courses are the Complete Web Developer Course 2.0 by Rob Percival, a comprehensive course that teaches you how to build websites and web applications. Masterclass by various instructors, a platform that offers online classes taught by celebrities and experts in various fields, such as cooking, writing, acting, music, etc. The Life Coach School by Brooke Costello, a program that teaches you how to become a certified life coach and start your own coaching business. Number 4. Ebooks. The fourth asset on our list is ebooks. Ebooks are electronic books that you write and publish online in digital format. Ebooks can be fiction or nonfiction, short or long, simple or complex, depending on your genre, topic, style, and purpose. Ebooks are an amazing asset for generating income and wealth online. By writing and publishing ebooks, you can turn your ideas, stories, knowledge, or experiences into a profitable and passive source of income. You can also benefit from many advantages, such as low cost. You don't need a lot of money to write and publish an ebook. You only need a computer, a word processor like Microsoft Word or Google Docs, an ebook cover design tool like Canva or Photoshop, and an ebook publishing platform like Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing or Smashwords. Creative control. You have full control over your ebook content, design, price, distribution, etc., without having to deal with publishers, editors, agents, and without having to share your royalties or profits. Passive income. You can earn money from your ebook sales 24/7 without having to ship or deliver anything, as your ebook is automatically downloaded by your customers. Some of the drawbacks of ebooks are high competition. You may face a lot of competition from other ebook authors in your genre or topic, especially if it is popular or saturated. Marketing effort. You need to promote your ebook and attract potential readers to your sales page or platform, which can be difficult and costly. Quality assurance. You need to ensure that your ebook is of high quality, relevant, engaging, and updated, and that it meets the expectations and needs of your readers. To write and publish an ebook, you need to follow some steps, such as identify your target audience and their problems, goals, or desires. Choose a profitable and specific niche or topic that you are knowledgeable and passionate about. Outline your ebook content and structure, and decide on the format and length of your chapters. Write your ebook using tools like Microsoft Word or Google Docs, and proofread and edit it using tools like Grammarly or ProWritingGate. Design your ebook cover using tools like Canva or Photoshop, and format your ebook using tools like Calibre or Vellum. Publish your ebook to a platform of your choice, such as Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing or Smashwords, and set your price and payment options. Launch your ebook and market it to your audience using strategies like email marketing, social media marketing, content marketing, etc. Some examples of successful ebooks are The 4-Hour Workweek by Tim Ferriss, the best-selling ebook that teaches you how to escape the 9-to-5 rat race and live a lifestyle of freedom and adventure. The Lean Startup by Eric Ries, a popular ebook that teaches you how to build a successful startup using the principles of lean methodology and experimentation. The Girl on the Train by Paula Hawkins, a thriller ebook that became a global phenomenon and was adapted into a movie starring Emily Blunt. Number 5. Podcasts. The fifth asset on our list is podcasts. Podcasts are audio shows that you create and distribute online on various platforms, such as Spotify, Apple Podcasts, Google Podcasts, etc. Podcasts can be about any topic or niche that you are interested in or knowledgeable about, such as business, education, entertainment, health, etc. Podcasts are a wonderful asset for generating income and wealth online. By creating and hosting podcasts, you can share your voice, opinions, insights, or stories with a large and loyal audience. You can also monetize your podcasts in various ways, such as advertising. You can earn money by inserting ads or sponsorships into your podcast episodes, either from platforms like Anchor or from direct deals with brands or companies. Subscriptions. You can earn money by charging your listeners a monthly or yearly fee to access your premium or exclusive content, either from platforms like Patreon or from your own website or app. Products or services. You can earn money by selling your own or other people's products or services related to your podcast topic or niche, such as books, courses, coaching, merchandise, etc. Some of the benefits of podcasts are low barrier to entry. You don't need a lot of equipment or skills to start a podcast. You only need a microphone, a recording software like Audacity, and a hosting platform like Anchor. High engagement. You can build a strong relationship and trust with your listeners by speaking directly to them and providing value and entertainment. Creative expression. You can express yourself freely and authentically on your podcast and explore different topics, formats, styles, and guests. Some of the challenges of podcasts are high competition. You may face a lot of competition from other podcasters in your niche or topic, especially if it is popular or crowded. Marketing effort. You need to promote your podcast and attract potential listeners to your episodes, which can be difficult and costly. Quality assurance. You need to ensure that your podcast is of high quality, relevant, engaging, and updated, and that it meets the expectations and needs of your listeners. To create and host podcasts, you need to follow some steps, such as identify your target audience and their problems, goals, or desires. Choose a profitable and specific niche or topic that you are passionate and knowledgeable about. Plan your podcast content and structure, and decide on the format and duration of your episodes. Record your podcast episodes using tools like Audacity or Anchor, and edit them using tools like Audacity or Ali2. Upload your podcast episodes to a platform of your choice, and cite your title, description, cover art, etc. Launch your podcast and market it to your audience using strategies like email marketing, social media marketing, content marketing, etc. Some examples of successful podcasts are The Tim Ferriss Show by Tim Ferriss, a podcast that features interviews with world-class performers from various fields, such as business, sports, art, etc. Number 6. YouTube channels. The sixth asset on our list is YouTube channels. YouTube channels are online platforms where you create and upload videos on various topics or niches that you are interested in or knowledgeable about, such as entertainment, education, business, health, etc. YouTube channels are a phenomenal asset for generating income and wealth online. By creating and uploading videos on YouTube, you can reach millions of viewers around the world and monetize your content in various ways, such as advertising. You can earn money by displaying ads on your videos or by partnering with brands or companies for sponsored videos. Subscriptions. You can earn money by charging your viewers a monthly or yearly fee to access your exclusive or premium content, such as live streams, behind the scenes, etc. Products or services. You can earn money by selling your own or other people's products or services related to your video topic or niche, such as merchandise, courses, coaching, etc. Some of the benefits of YouTube channels are low cost. You don't need a lot of money to start a YouTube channel. You only need a camera, a microphone, a video editing software like Adobe Premiere Pro, DaVinci Resolve or iMovie, and a YouTube account. High exposure. You can reach a large and diverse audience on YouTube, as it is the second most visited website and the second most popular search engine in the world. Creative expression. You can express yourself freely and authentically on YouTube and explore different topics, formats, styles, and genres. Some of the challenges of YouTube channels are high competition. You may face a lot of competition from other YouTubers in your niche or topic, especially if it is popular or crowded. Algorithm changes. You may experience fluctuations in your views, subscribers, and revenue due to changes in YouTube's algorithm, which determines how your videos are ranked and recommended to viewers. Quality assurance. You need to ensure that your videos are of high quality, relevant, engaging, and updated, and that they comply with YouTube's policies and guidelines. To create and upload videos on YouTube, you need to follow some steps, such as identify your target audience and their problems, goals, or desires. Choose a profitable and specific niche or topic that you are passionate and knowledgeable about. Plan your video content and structure, and decide on the format and duration of your videos. Record your videos using tools like a camera or a smartphone, a microphone, a tripod, etc. And edit them using tools like Adobe Premiere Pro, DaVinci Resolve or iMovie. Upload your videos to your YouTube channel, and cite your title, description, tags, thumbnail,